Hello everyone, in our project video, we want to talk about the effect of the caffeine. With me, I'm Raffi Haryanto, with other member in our teammates. So, check this video. Did you know that the drinks when you consume, such as tea, soda, and coffee, it's likely contain caffeine in the component. Its caffeine molecular like structure is 1373 metal xanthine, which is an organic structure and types of alkanoid compound. This structure is flat and conjugate ring system allows caffeine to intercalate with nucleotide base and then across biological membranes, including the blood-brain barrier with ease.
Once inside the brain, caffeine primarily acts as competitive antagonist of adenosine receptors. Normally, adenosine dampens neural activity and promotes sleepiness. By blocking these receptors, caffeine prevents this inhibitor signal, allowing neurons to remain active and stimulating the release of excitatory neurotransmitters like dopamine, norepinephrine, and glutamate. This results increased alertness, enhanced mood, and via dopamine modulation in nucleus accumbens a mild sense of reward or stimulation.
Within 50 to 45 minutes of consumption, caffeine peaks in your bloodstreams, leading to a feeling of alertness. This is due to an increased heart rate, dilated peripheral blood vessels, a rise in systolic blood pressure, and a slight decrease in cerebral blood flow. Your liver metabolizes caffeine into paraxanthine, theobromine, and theophylline, which contribute to diuretic and bronchodilatory effects. Consistent daily intake, typically 3 mg per kilogram per day, causes the brain to develop tolerance by upregulating adenosine receptors. This can result in withdrawal symptoms like headache and fatigue if caffeine isn't consumed. For sensitive individuals, long-term use might also lead to a slight elevations in resting blood pressure.
Some people experience stronger side effects from caffeine due to genetic and environmental factors. The CYP1A2 gene affects how quickly caffeine is metabolized. Slow metabolizers retain it longer, increasing the risk of jitteriness or insomnia. The ADORA2A gene influences sensitivity to caffeine-related anxiety. Other factors like age, pregnancy, smoking, and medications also affect how the body responds to caffeine.
So I want to ask you some questions related to caffeine. The first question is, do you know what caffeine is?
Yes, I do know what caffeine is. Caffeine is a substance that helps people feel more awake and less tired, and people usually consume it to help them stay focused or energized, and usually consume it in the morning or when they are feeling sleepy.
Next question, what are some things people often get wrong about drinking caffeine?
I think people believe that drinking caffeine can give them more energy. I think it's incorrect because caffeine doesn't create energy. It just helps them to feel less tired by blocking the signal of tired in their head. I think it is that.
Okay. Last question, do you know the safe daily amount of caffeine?
I don't really know what is the safe daily amount of caffeine, and I think it's different from to people to other people. But me personally, I cannot get more than one cup of coffee at a time, and maybe it's my daily limit. Because if I take more than that, my reflux acid can get increases.
Do you know what caffeine is?
Yes, of course I know. Something that contain in coffee. It's like active ingredient from coffee.
How exactly does caffeine work in our brain and nervous system?
Yes, the structure of caffeine is like it's like purine. You know DNA purine.
Yeah,
pyrimidine. Yes. It has like a 3 metal. I think I remember that one has a 3 metal, and the structure is really different with the structure of hormone, but its effect is like hormone.
Yeah.
Can induce your activity and everything. It's like adrenaline, just
it's
like that.
adrenaline,
Maybe it's
okay.
maybe it can affect to release to our body to release the adrenaline, so make you like
More energetic.
yeah.
Okay. So, do you consume it often?
Yes, I have it now.
Okay. What are some things people often get wrong about drinking caffeine?
I don't know about people say that one is maybe it's people drink too much. I think it's make you cannot go to sleep very
Insomnia.
well. Yeah, that one
Okay.
is really and maybe increase your anxiety or something.
Anxiety.
Because,
Okay.
make you like cannot sleep, so you just only go.
Okay, got it. Okay. Thank you for your time, Mr. Zubair. Bye.
Bye.
In short, caffeine is bioactive compound that increase alertness by blocking adenosine receptors in the brain. It easily crosses the blood-brain barrier, affecting mental and physical performance by increasing heart rate, focus, and potentially causing mild diuresis. Long-term use can lead to tolerance and withdrawal symptoms. Individual responses vary due to genetic factors.